Hi everyone, let's understand new concept is microeconomics. From where we have coined this particular term microeconomics. The term microeconomics is derived from the Greek word that is micros, meaning small. And microeconomics studies the economic behavior of individual units of an economy, like individual person. We are talking about household, we are talking about firm, we are talking about one particular industry. But in other words, we can call it microeconomics. We make a microscopic study of the economy. Usually, students ask, what is the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics? Microeconomics means we are talking about individual person, individual household, individual firm, or individual industry. When we talk about macroeconomics means we are talking about aggregate economy. We are talking about economy as a whole. So this is the basic difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. And we will work on the various concepts of microeconomics. And this is the one of the renowned definition of microeconomics. According to K.E. Boulding, microeconomics is the study of particular firm, particular household, individual prices, wages, incomes, individual industries, particular commodities. That is, again, a definition of microeconomics. When we talk about various concepts of microeconomics, you can see here microeconomic theory is product pricing, factor pricing, that means theory of distribution, theory of welfare economics or economic efficiency, and here is theory of international trade. Theory of demand. Under this product pricing, we will study theory of demand, theory of production and cost. Here is we are going to study Cobb-Douglas production function, short run production function, long run production function. All these things, these theories we have to study here. Factor pricing, theory of distribution, wages, rent, interest, profits, all these things we are going to study under this particular heading. Then we come to the theory of welfare economics or economic efficiency. Here's the parity theory also we are going to study under this head. Theory of international trade. All these things, couple of things we are going to study in this particular playlist of economics. Come to there is one important thing, scope of microeconomics. And if the management students, those are studying managerial economics, and that is also more is a percentage of microeconomics. So managerial economics is narrower than traditional economics. How we can distinguish between managerial economics and traditional economics, and it includes all these things: demand analysis. So managerial economics deals with demand and supply, the factor affecting them, the law related to them, elasticity, and exception of the law forecasting. Means demand paradoxes also. We are going to study under this particular heading. And production and cost analysis. To earn profits, certain amount of goods need to be produced, thus certain costs have to be incurred. Since managerial economics is a firm's economics, it deals with problems and issues related to cost and production, like production function, so that average cost, AC stands for average cost, are minimum, loss relating to operations in the short run and the long run. We are going to study under this particular heading. And pricing practices and policies. Here is pricing affect demand, and here is we can see pricing affect demand. Pricing depends on market conditions, pricing methods, and policies, etc. We will study. Here is profit management. Of course, we are going to study profit management. A firm's activities are directed towards profit generation in the form of major or minor objectives. Hence, managerial economics also deals with what is profit, by what factor it is influenced, how to calculate it, etc. So, environmental issues, the management of a firm does not have any control over government policies, economic trends, foreign trade, social factors, social organizations, political system, etc. So therefore, it needs to adjust plans, policies, etc. of the firm to these factors. So these are the scope of microeconomics, and we are going to study all these things in detail And I'm going to start demand in my next video. One by one, we will discuss all the concepts. So keep watching, stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you.